Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best car trailer winches that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Smittybilt X2O Comp Waterproof Synthetic Rope Winch. Efficiently great, strong, excellent build quality and waterproof synthetic rope winch on the market is Smittybilt 98510 X2O Comp. 10,000 pounds. Load capacity, higher HP motor, IP68 waterproof rating, and several other features make it one of the strongest winches perfect for pulling trailers and hauling vehicles. On top of that, stainless steel hardware and synthetic rope make it efficient and powerful enough to pull down a tree using the winch. Forged hook, rope sleeve, and integrated wireless remote allow for a lot of flexibility in the use by standing at a safe distance. It has a revolutionary 3-stage planetary gear train system for ultimate strength and quiet operation. Its quick and super easy installation easily fits not only Jeeps but trucks and SUVs, making it an excellent winch for the price. Moving on at number 4, we have the vrevo 812V electric winch with steel cable wire. ZEON Industries are one of the nation's best vehicle winches producers of off-road products. Their USA-designed and engineered ZEON's 103,250 vrevo 812V electric winch is one of the supremely energetic and top-tier heavy-duty winches to pull out or lift two-door Jeeps and lighter SUVs from any situation. This standard duty winch has 8,000 pounds capacity, stable, durable steel cable. Moreover, high-performance Albright contactor and powerful series wound motor with a lower amp draw deliver faster line speed and maximum reliability, which is well enough to fit most Jeeps and trucks without worry about installation. You'll also get 2-in-1 remote that has wired and wireless options, waterproof and corrosion-resistant construction, very durable mechanical parts with warranty from this winch. At number 3, we have the Superwinch Terra 45 ATV and utility winch. Another good and durable electric trailer winch in our list is Superwinch 1,145,220 Terra 45. This 2,046 kilograms, 4,500 lb pull rating efficiently powerful trailer winch provides the high-end power, better efficiency, versatility, and durability. It functions perfectly not only with ATVs and other small vehicles, even in the middle of harsh weather, or to do more substantial duty work. Smart design clock motors, Terra winches come with steel-reinforced drums on both steel and synthetic rope versions. All the standard features of a kind and efficient utility winch make it ideal for the trailers with light to medium heavy vehicles. At number 2, we have the Smittybilt Gen 2 XRC 9,500 pound load capacity winch. The Smittybilt 97,495 XRC is a robust, powerful, reliable performance, weather-resistant and affordable price, high quality, hugely popular electric trailer winch among worldwide users for easily winching or pulling up the heavy load, cars, or trucks even in the rain or mud or shallow waters. This high-capacity winch has a 6.6 horsepower amphibious motor with 9,500 pounds of load capacity, which is powerful enough to do heavy-duty operations. IP67 standard waterproof rating with a state-of-the-art 5,000 amp solenoid, 4-way roller fairlead, and 3-stage planetary gear train system makes it ideal for all-terrain winching. And finally at number 1, we have the ZEON 12 multi-mount trailer winch. Another product from reputed brand WRAN company is ZEON's 89,120 ZEON 12 multi-mount trailer winch. This 12,000-pound new ZEON winch is advanced, capable, and reliable enough with its newly designed planetary gear train and series wound motor to tackle 4-wheel drive vehicles, utility vehicles, or any heavy recovery scenarios of off-road vehicles. Satin black cast aluminum finish, stainless steel fasteners, and clutch and improved muck-busting sealing make it completely corrosion-resistant. Warn ZEON 12 has a convertible control pack, which can be mounted to the control pack separately or attached by allowing distributing the vehicle's weight in various winch mounting options and looks. A large diameter winch aluminum drum and integrated rope anchor point not only protects the rope from damage without adding too much weight but also gives an easy rope replacement. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.